Hey, what's up guys? Thank you very much for coming to Electrica, and thank you very much for watching. Now, today I want us to look at fire alarms, okay? And I want to show you how it works, and probably you have been seeing such a installation inside some very big buildings, commercial buildings, hospitals, and perhaps homes, you know, those who can really want it inside their homes. So let's get into the video, and please don't forget to subscribe, to like. Okay, now what you're seeing right here, it's a control panel for the fire alarm system. There are very many fire alarm systems on the market. Actually, they're even more smarter than this. This is more of an old version fire alarm, but they essentially work more the same. The only difference, it depends on the type of call points, you know, and I will also look at that types of call points. Okay, so this is the control panel, and if you look closer, you are able to see zones: zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4. Okay, so that means that each floor, it will have a zone. Okay, now it means that this building, it has 3 floors. Okay, and 3 floors and the ground, so those are 4 floors. Okay, so now you have zone 1, first floor, zone 1, 2, the second floor, and so on and so forth. Okay, now you have got a sounder here. Okay, you have got a sounder here. This is, it will show you power supply if it's in fault, and then this is main on. Then right here you have some buttons here. You have reset sounder, then you have silence alarm, and then you have silence fault sounders and evacuation. Okay, so evacuation will begin with this one. In case maybe fires gutted the building, and you know, in this case some other buildings are very big that you can't really go to each individual shop or space and ask them to evacuate the building. So what you have to do, you can come and sound here. You press here and you sound the alarm, so people will definitely know that if that kind of alarm goes on, then it means fire or any other thing, so they have to vacate the building. Okay, now there are also other fault sounders. You find that the alarm goes off, or the sounder, you know, rings without anything, you know, nothing has happened, no glass has been broken, so you just come and silence it. You silence it here. But also here, this one, it's the alarm that maybe someone has broken the glass if there was really fire. So after people, they have all gone out of the building, you can still come, and as you put off fire, you can still come and, you know, press the silence sound, and then you can also reset. Resetting, after you have restored the call points, then you can reset. Now, what are call points? Now, since you have this control panel at a certain floor or somewhere, then you have got what we call a sounder. A sounder looks like that. That's a sounder. And you have got a call point, which looks like this. What happens is that this call point is always in a closed position, because it has this glass that it has pressed the button. Okay, so the moment you press and break this glass, the glass moves away from the button, and the button will now become open. Now what happens is to the panel that it will detect an open circuit in the connection, and then it sounds the alarm. Okay, so this is how it looks inside. We have got 2 batteries in here, 12 volts, 7 ampere hour battery, and we have got 2 of them in there, because they think it has got a lot of sounders like the entire building has got around 10 sounders, and you see every time if an alarm goes off, then that means that all 7 sounders, and they're pretty loud, they'll be draining the battery. So you need at least 2 batteries to act on that. Okay. And also to keep the system also available in case the power goes off. If you don't have, backup power, but generally you need a battery in here for the backup also. Okay. Okay.